So hi, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng saya all 149 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And kung gusto rin mo, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pupunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile device. And dito guys, pagka-open, i-dial lang natin is asterisk 123 number sign or hashtag and then call. So ayan guys, after nyong i-dial yung asterisk 123 number sign, may magpa-pop up na option. So dito guys, ang pipiliin nyo lang is yung number 3, which is yung saya all. So ita-type lang natin yung number 3 and then send. So, ayan guys, ang pipiliin natin dito is yung number 3, which is ang nakalagay is 12 GB, free only 5G for 7 days, good for 149 pesos. So, number 3 yung itatype natin para ma-register natin yung saya all 149. So, type number 3 and then send. So, ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng saya all 149, makakakuha tayo ng free only 5G plus only TikTok, FB, and then Mobile Legends. Plus, mayroon siyang 12 GB plus only calls and texts, good for 7 days, worth of 149 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type lang natin is number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng saya all 149 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!